Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This episode, we throw a box cover on the old Chevy. Okay, so what we have here is a rolling LoPro box cover for this long box Chevy truck. Ordered it from Summit. Shipping took quite a while actually, but they were on back order. Kit comes with box cover itself, bed rails that bolt to the side of the box, a bunch of these clamps, instructions, need that. Yeah, should be a pretty simple install. I think all you need is a 1/2-inch wrench or socket and the bolts to the side and put her on. Well, I spoke too soon. The passenger side went on relatively easy. Very nice. Driver's side I'm going to have trouble with. I didn't take into account the spare tire holder. So the brackets for the box cover are not going to sit flush because of this. So let's go ahead and get that out of there now. Okay, so the top two bolts, screws came out real easy. The ones on the bottom that are bolted through the bed are rusted. The nut and the bolt are rusted together, everything's spinning. I'm up here, I'm down there, just fighting with it. So this little 30-second project might take me an hour now, so sweet. Okay, that took longer than it needed to. Let's get back to throwing the box cover on. Okay, all finished up here. Went on relatively easy. Fit good. This is for an 8-foot box, so long box truck. Like I said, I ordered it from Summit. Shipping took a while, so that's fine. Very happy with the product. This topper is really tight, so I'm sure it has to stretch out a little bit. Get used to being out in the elements and everything. The Velcro is good on this side. This side over here, it hasn't quite stretched out yet, so I'm hoping, and I figure it will. Like I have one of these toppers on my other truck, and it's fine. So out of the box, it's really tight, so I'm expecting it to stretch a little bit, fit a little bit better. All the seals, everything's fine, but like I said, it's just to kind of keep whatever you got in your box hidden, out of plain sight. If someone wants to get in, they'll get in. And obviously these holes, it's another thing with these square bodies. So rain and any elements are going to get into the box anyways, so it's not 100% waterproof. That's okay with me. I just threw a toolbox in the back of the truck so I can get all the oil and junk and crap that I had in behind the seat out of the cab, because I plan on redoing the interior in there and maybe throwing some boom speakers in. And so I'll just get all the tools, oil crap, throw it in the back of the truck. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hit that like and subscribe, notification bell, leave comments down below. I'll see you next time.